Okay, how about now?
I got it. This highway is now completely shut down. These accidents just keep happening because no one sees, like it's every little bit because someone's gonna just ram into the back of this truck.
So this is a traffic jam from all of the wrecks back there. We saw about 10 wrecks. Worst than any snowstorm I've ever seen. Hail. Survived the dust storm. Police checkpoint. God knows what they're checking for. We're in Las Vegas! Alright, so Neve just went down in this parking lot in Vegas, and here's where he came in. You can see his skid marks, and the knobbies gave out right here. Bike went down right about here. Foot pegs, scraping, 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 scraping. Neve down. Miraculously, bike lands on its kickstand. I don't know. You should put up your kickstand when you ride though. These are what we call good omens. If you have a little fall in the beginning of a big ride, it means you won't have a big fall, hopefully, on a big ride.
Basically what it means is that I could have just broken my wrist. Like so easily I could have just broken my wrist.
Definitely.
Or even just my finger, which...
Or your foot, or your leg, or anything.
I mean, my fingers hurt, but if that's the outcome of that fall, it's
what,
like
the purple,
yeah, black and blue fingernail, then like, that's a great sign.
Yeah,
you know?
It matches my boo-boo.
Because I fell on hard-ass concrete. Hard.
Worst passable case scenario. Jesus, look at those skid marks.
Okay, van just had an accident. I tell you, these tires on concrete just do not.
So I ordered these motocross boots with ankle protection, and they were supposed to. I ordered these ankle boots with motocross. I ordered these motocross boots with ankle protection. Spent extra money to have them shipped overnight, and they didn't come on time. I just fucking fell, man. I just fell on the street and I hurt my ankle. Scratched turn button, scratch tank, no breach, bent gear shift, bent brake, and that's about it. It's time to get out of Vegas. We belong in San Diego. That's our truck, and guess what was in this parking lot, just by coincidence? Sam's bike. Not actually Sam's bike. Bye, Jessica, thank you!
Bye, guys, have so much fun. You're always welcome.
All right, now this
is to be interesting. Watch the van.
Wait, we know about vans. You can back these things right into them, they're fine. I can't think of the line to make fun of your bandana, but I really wish I could. I have a new concern, and that is, oh my God, my foot is really fucking hurting from my fall this morning, and I don't know what the problem is. My foot's under there.
Right under there.
Like 5 minutes ago you said I'll be fine.
doesn't look good.
If I walk on the ball on my foot, I'm okay. But on my heel, it's like undoable. Okay, go forward a foot. And I would say 2 inches. We made it by 2 inches. Mark! That's Sam's! I am so sorry.
Down more?
Yeah.
Oh man, this looks good.
Can you fit it right here?
Yeah.
This hotel is super swank. They didn't even know how to deal with this issue. Dude, we did it! We did it! Oh my God, we did it! Mwah, you did such a good job. What
Okay,
happened?
I've had a pair of Ray-Bans for, I don't know, 2 years. And for me, sunglasses, I always find that the pair, this is too long of a story. Anyway, they just got smashed.
He opened the tailgate. Show us.
What?
I told Scott where we were, but I told him I wasn't going to answer the phone, and I'm not going to help him. He just has to find us.
Anyway.
Warm, warmer, warmer. What's happening? Good to see
You
you.
guys been here? We've been
Like an hour?
we walked by here.
What's happening?
Really?
No, we've been here for an hour. What's happening, dude? Sam's got a lot of money. You'd think he'd stay in a nicer place, don't you think?
I think it's this way.
We've been sleeping on floors, as you know. It's like the Overlook. Okay. Wake up! Yo, nice beard! Holy shit, how are you, man? This is Yaniv.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks to the boots that Dean gave me for my birthday, I'm walking fine today. It's the next day.
So the guy also says to Sam, he goes, I'd be on this trip in a heartbeat if it was me, but I have a wife and 2 kids, so I'm not going down there anymore. I haven't been down in a year and a half. And Sam goes, I have 3 kids and a wife, and he goes, do you have a son to take your name on?
Whoa. And he was serious?
Dead serious. This guy was no joke.
So everyone is saying that it's too dangerous, that it's a war zone. And we saw army trucks headed down there the whole trip. So now we have to fucking reassess what we're gonna do. It's the most dangerous place in the world right now. And that's beyond my, it's beyond my skill set, Smokes.
But Ben, this has been a dream of yours for like 6 months now, almost longer.
But the dream is riding dirt bikes and camping out.
I agree. And it was just the metaphor. Baja was the metaphor.
Baja was just the spark we needed to get you jerks to agree. That was the bait. And now we're here, we're going to have just as much fun, but we're going to do it in California. So we're in Borders getting maps of Southern California, and we stumbled across the epitome of what we aren't. No courage. The
We left.
illegal. We're the reason they're extinct.
So we can't go to Baja, dream of ours, a dream deferred. And the reason is because of cocaine. Don't buy cocaine, don't do cocaine, because it's a nasty, nasty drug. And it destroys people's dreams, and that's what's happened.